Yo you guys, it's Badger here. Today we have a look at this little vacuum robot. As you can see, we did call it Sam. It is already in work in progress right now. As you can see on the map here, it has an apartment scheduled out, which is nice and good to see that it's working quite well. This is our model here, and in the settings we can adjust some stuff as well. You can see it's paused right now, and in the bottom here there is the option to add more devices if that's something you're looking for, or you can actually go into the settings of this little vacuum robot here in the top on the corner, and you just hit that button, and then you can adjust how much it sucks, um, how much power it uses, if it has a schedule and all that stuff. And as you can see, it's still moving. You can see on the right lines where it went. This is what it looks like in action. I think he is doing a pretty good job. Only little downside is he's got trouble with these little carpets that are sitting around sometimes, which is unfortunate. But in general, definitely really nice piece here. And as you can see, when it's in the docking station, there's a compartment where you can throw in some water if that's something you want to do with your vacuum robot. Just gonna scoop that back in there. Dust compartment looks kind of the same as well. It returns by itself when it's noticing that it has been moved and it's not charging. So we're gonna force it out there again so we can actually have a better look here. And then on the bottom, as you can see, we got your typical setup. Got like a center brush in the corner, then two brushes on each side, reels that actually have some variation to it, and then you can open this up if something is getting caught to remove it or clean the brush itself, which is also nice to see. And then you can just push it back in there to make it secure. On the top, we got a laser tower to have a better vision on the tracking itself, which is good and should be a must-have these days for all the vacuum robots, if you ask me. But that's just something that's not there always, so yeah, I think that's good to see here. And then you can just use the app or your smart home device to start them up, which is also something that I'm liking. And yeah, that's kind of what this is all about. That's the DEEBOT, and yeah, I think that's gonna be it. So take care, you guys. My name is Badger. Until next time, bye bye, and have a good one.